So here we have the O-rings. We're gonna go ahead and dip them in a little bit of oil. Pack oil I use. You can use any kind of oil. The oil I use is for the compressors. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. It's a little bit smaller than it should be, but once I put it on, it'll be grinding very nice, and it's actually thicker too. That one's on there. Let's get the other one on. It's pretty thick. The thicker, the better it is. Let's see if I can get to the bottom one. We have both O-rings in on it. Now we're gonna go ahead and tie it up before one of them comes off. I need the V8 drinks. I'm ready. Big Manguera special. Yeah. Big Manguera special. My friend arrived. I was hoping he came today. I said, Mark, hopefully he comes. You guys. Yeah. Whoa! I gotta see that. That looks good. So this one you don't want to do electrical because you'll mess up the thread. It's aluminum. Very easy. It's happened to me before. Huh? Look at that. Whoa! Who did? You sure it's not? Big Manguera special. Oh, yeah. You don't want to drop that. You want to put it somewhere else, or you're good right there? One thing, as soon as you touch it, it'll knock everything down. No. Big Manguera special. My friend, Mark brought me some fruit. Yeah. I just changing the O-rings in the back. It was leaking from the back. Compressor looks rebuilt. See it? It's rebuilt. Someone rebuilt it. Washington. Yeah, that's what it is. good. So size 10. Yeah, I'm almost done right here. Yeah, I know, I'm almost done.
Like it?
I do. Just I want to finish this part right here. No, it's good, it's good. Just don't drop it, guys. Want to make sure this is tight. There you go, you got it. We can do a second leak test. How you guys? It is, yeah, that's the best one, yeah. That is the best one. Dude, out of all of them. I noticed that too. That's the best one. There's soap right there if you want some.
Try that one. That was the best one out of all of them.
Look how nice and shiny it looks. Whoa.
That was actually a good one right there, huh? They did okay on that one. Not too bad. Not so much.
Move this.
Yeah, she hit us with the big one. No, it's all right.
We're doing another leak test. We got the soap. You got to use Dawn soap. It has to look blue. If it's white, it's not good. You have to keep putting more Dawn soap so you can find a leak on any car. It's got to be blue, blue, blue. Not too much because then it won't spray nothing. But right now we're going to go to 200 PSI. That should be good. At 200 PSI, you can stop it at any car. Go ahead and do that. We closed both valves with only one because I only got the red one connected. I don't care about the blue one because the blue one only goes to 100. I wanted it to go more, you know? So we're going to use the red one right there, high side. Now we're going to spray the back side and see if it's leaking here. Spray it. Spray the back where it connects to. Right there, where the compressor connects to.
Shine a light.
Yeah, right there where it connects to the hose in the compressor right there. Anything coming out? Nothing, look.
Oh, Jenny.
Nothing, guys.
Yeah.
Did Anna call you?
Nothing. No more leaks. So there you have it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, my friends. And you guys need some help, comment below and I can help you guys through the phone. You know, if you guys need help, just comment below. That's all. All right, comment below. I'll help you guys. I'm willing to help you guys. You know, I'm very good through the phone. I'm pretty sure through the phone, if you're very good at tools, I can help you guys how to repair it over the phone or text message or however. Just follow and everything. You know, support the views. Comment below. We're gonna go ahead and evacuate it. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. We're gonna do the evacuate system. Yeah, I know. See, my hands are dirty. My hands are a little bit dirty. The strawberry was good. We're evacuating the system. But look, I'm forgetting to connect the low side right now to charge it. It goes on that side, on the left side. So we only did high side right now because we did a leak test. We're doing a leak test right now, but we're going to go ahead and get ready to charge the system up. And we're going to have a working AC as long as the controllers are working. Huh?
Right there. No, right there.
This is the tool room where I got all the tools. Connect the tank. Let's connect the tank. Did you turn it all the way down? It's good. It's on there. It's not loose. All right. Good. 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 Yeah, it's good. It's good. They don't have to be that tight because then you mess up the
O-ring.
Not the O-ring. The you mess up the where it screws on and off the thread. Like this.
No, I didn't do that. Yeah.
Like that. There. You're good. So we're gonna go ahead and
Evacuate the system.
yeah, we evacuate the system. Close the blue side for me. Close the blue side. Here, can you put on the tank up here? Flip the tank upside down and open the valve all the way. Tank upside down and open the tank all the way. There we go, all the way. Let's open the valve. Just turn it. You don't have to open the valve all the way, but just turn it. So turn it 30%, whatever you want. Liquid's gonna start pouring in. We got the liquid pouring in very quick right there. You guys can see it. All right, once it stops, red is gonna stop about 75. Once it stops,
And I can turn it off.
then we could turn off the tank. So we're almost there, Yeah, look at that, about 75. We're there, about 75 already right there. Yep, we're there. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. The compressor's gonna start kicking in, you'll hear it. You like it, what, Mark? Go ahead and turn on the AC to max, everything. Make sure air vents are good, and this is on cold. If this don't work, that's another problem, but it should work. Temperature should hit 55 degrees. Roll up the windows on the car too.
Oh, I need more green on this.
Yeah, well, that was only just pre-filled. Now let's put more in there now. Yeah, in all the cars. So let's open it a little bit.
Don't do it.
So we pre-filled it already to the max, whatever you could with the car off. So now you gotta turn it on. You can put it sideways if you want, like
No, this
acostado,
is way
así.
better.
Okay.
This goes in there.
Then you go in slowly, you're gonna start opening it, let it charge up. That's why the compressor keeps kicking it on and off. Before you know it, the low side hose is gonna start getting cold. That's a good sign. You know, once you see a nice ice and cold and wet, it's good. You need to put no more freon in there. Look at that. Look at that. Mark, look at that. The hose is already, look at it. It's already nice and cold.
I need a little bit more.
Close the tank now. Close it, please. Mark, did you see the hose already? Look, close it to the. Yeah, Mark. This is what you want to see in the car when you're putting freon in it. You want it to get cold. Touch it. Nice and wet. Look how it's wet. That's what you want, guys. This is what I do every day right here. For the last 8 years, 9 or more, I've been doing this since probably more than 10 years now. I shoot them videos a long time ago. So right now we close the blue side. That's the red side. That's the high side. High side. Here's low side. Here's let's check it out now. Now it's getting nice and cold in here. Do you want to give me the gauge? The gauge, because people might think we're lying. Bring me the gauge. It's in the red cabinet. It's because that way we get a good video of our viewers. I want them to see, because I know they can't feel the air. So I'm gonna show them the temperature. Ooh, it's nice and cold in here. Yep. So you're gonna see the temperature gauge stuff. Big manguera special. You guys like that? I'm gonna do a hand. Watch the temperature. Is this rigged? Is this temperature gauge rigged? You want to know? We're at 70 now. We're at 70 right now. It's going down to 70. We're about to hit 65. It's going very quick. Mark. It's going down very quick. Mark. Mark. About to hit 55. If we get 55, we're good. We're at 55, going down to 50. So yeah, we're gonna be at 50. I just have the window open here. So comment below, guys. I'll get you guys AC blowing cold like here, okay? Don't forget to comment below. We're done. We're good to go. Thanks for watching. This is your boy Sammy Toy.